Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a way that you can make about $54 over and over and over, and it actually could be more than that if you decided to. And I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can make money with this particular method in this particular video right now. So let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, for those of you that are new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, we'll reach down there right now or anytime during the video when you think about it and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. The first site that we're going to come to here, this is an affiliate marketing method. But it is really unique, and you can make about $54 the way I'm going to show you here over and over and over, but you could actually do more than that too. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this. The site that we're going to be coming over here today, guys, is this one right here. It's called entireweb.com. It's a search engine similar to Google, and you can see it right up here in the address bar, guys. Look right here. It's entireweb.com. It's a not near as a, it doesn't have near the clout that the Google search engine has, but it is a fairly new search engine, and they actually get some reasonable traffic here so far. It's got monthly visits of about 137,000.8, so about 138,000 visitors use this search engine every single month. But what we're going to do is we're going to use this search engine to make money with. Now, if we come over here on this site, and you see right up here above my head where my mouse is, guys, that's called a hamburger symbol, by the way. So you want to click on this hamburger symbol right here, and it drops down a menu. And if we come down in this menu right here, you can see right here where it says affiliate. You see that? Affiliate. What you want to do is you want to click on affiliate. This site, they are willing to pay you up to 20 cents per every click. Notice it says every click, not every referral. Now, there's something else pretty cool about this I'm going to show you about here with this site here in just a moment. So stick around, keep watching. This is going to be a really good method that you can use starting today. Now, so it's 20 cents for every click. So it says right here, get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission service. So that means all you got to do is have a person click on a link, and if they come over and use the search engine, and it's not for them using the search engine, it's just the very fact that they clicked on your affiliate link and then they came over to the entire website. Whether they search or not doesn't matter. You're going to get 20 cents because they clicked your affiliate link. And it says right here, get paid for every click. It says we'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor or click. It says a high conversion rate. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. It says everyone can join, anyone, anywhere. So that right there tells you that it is good everywhere in the world, guys. It doesn't matter where you're at, just have an internet connection and a computer, and you can do this. And then anywhere with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. And then it says here it's easy to start. Within minutes from sign up, you'll be up and running and have started to earn money from your traffic. All right, and it's tells a little bit more about it down here and how much you'll earn, which, it says right here, you will need to have a PayPal. I don't know if you can see it right here. Yeah, it says we pay all our affiliates by PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go to paypal.com and sign up for a free personal account there and get your account verified with PayPal. And then you want to use also, I always tell you guys, you want to use the same email address on this site when you sign up for the affiliate program. Here in a moment I'll show you, and then that you use on PayPal, so there's no discrepancy about you getting your money. It's the same across the board, so, and they can't mess up, and neither can you get messed up either by not receiving your money because of something they may have done. All right, now what we want to do is what you want to do is click right here where it says create an account. So if we click on that, it brings you over here. It's just a simple form, guys. All you do is put your first name, last name in. You can even choose your own tracking ID, and then here's your email, is that you're going to be signing up with PayPal. You want to use that same email right here. Alrighty? And then your additional information. You have a company name, you have a web URL if you want. This is all optional. You don't need a website for this. And then you put your street and your city. This is all optional here too, and your country. All over the whole entire world here, guys. It's every country in the world can do this. And then it's PayPal is the method. Your PayPal email will go here again. And then publisher type and the payee name, payee address. And they want you, if you chose the publisher type right here, if you chose individual, you will need to put your social security number or tax identification number right here, as it says only if you sign up as an individual. So you could probably sign up as a business and don't have to worry about that. And then your country after that, then it's going to your country of business as well. Check this box here. I agree to the terms and conditions and click sign up, guys. It tells you a little bit more down here about it and stuff like that. When you click sign up, they are probably going to send you an email confirmation. So get that thing verified and validated, and then you can come back and get logged in right here. One other cool thing about this site is, guys, not only will they pay you 20 cents for each and every click, but have a look right here. Just for the fact that you signed up as an affiliate for the 20 cents per click, you're also going to get up to 30% commission, guys. In high commission rate, says how it works. We've streamlined our entire affiliate process to ensure ease of use. In other words, a visitor clicks on your affiliate link, you get 20 cents for that. And then if they come back, and it says here, if the visitor orders or places an order for some of the products that they have, you're going to make 30% of that. And it says right here that their IP, they got a long cookie that stays on their browser. So if they don't purchase the time they come over and they come back a month later or whatever, and you get paid if they buy something off of this site. All right, some of this site's products. And it says right here, not only can you join our team on 30% commission and help spread the word about your favorite products, you can get rewarded for your efforts. Our system tracks referrals and pays top commissions for every client you send our way. And so you can see that that's a pretty cool thing right there too. So you're making 20 cents per click, and you're also getting 30% commission if the person clicks over and purchases something off of this site. Alrighty, that's pretty cool. Now, so you're all signed up as an affiliate here on Entire Web, and you get logged in or whatever, and then you'll get into your back office and you'll find your affiliate link and different banners and tools and things like that to promote this particular search engine here. Now, but I'm going to show you a much better way that you can do this and get clicks in a hurry, lots of clicks. What you're going to do, you're going to come over to this site. This is where we're going to market our affiliate link at. This site right here, it's called Micro Workers, guys. It says work and earn or offer a micro job, and you see it right up here in the address bar. It's microworkers.com. You see that right there? Now, on this site, what you can do is you can make money also by doing these micro tasks on this particular site. Now, these are the templates that they have that you can create a job if you want to hire somebody to do work for you. And these are templates that you can use. There's all kinds of them down through here. But what you want to do is you want to come up here and we want to get logged in. Now, if you don't have an account here, I already have an account here. I'm going to log in here in a moment, but you just click on register right here, guys. And then you simply fill out this form right here, coming down through here. And then you click submit, and it will give you you'll be able to log in with your email address and your password. Now, I already have an account here, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So once you get logged into this site, guys, at microworkers.com, you can see that they have all kinds of jobs down through here. And guys, look right here, all kinds of categories that you have jobs that you can do, and you get paid a certain amount of money. It's like 3 cents, 50 cents, 15. Some of them are even $1. I mean, $1.70, $1.50, anywhere from a couple of cents all the way up to about almost $2 for each one of these jobs. But you're not here on this site to do these jobs. I'm just showing it to you that you can, if you want to, do the jobs on this site and make money that way also. Now, but what we're here for is we want to get these clicks over to entire web so that we can make our money from the clicks that we get, and possibly somebody purchases, and we make even more money that way too. So what you want to do when you get logged in, you want to come up here and click on Create a TTV Campaign. We are going to put our own job like you see right here, and you can see it's got click and search right here as one of the categories, right? If we click on that, it shows you all the jobs that other people have put here to have people click and search on doing different things. Maybe searching search engine, could be searching YouTube, could be searching any other site for that matter, and they're paying people to do that. If you'll notice, 13 cents, and some of this is 9 cents and 5 cents and so on and so forth, a nickel there, and all the way up to maybe I don't even know if I see $1 in here yet, but can pay them whatever you want on this. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to create a campaign here, and yes, you've got this. It's not free, but it really is free. I'm going to show you how here in just a moment. So what you want to do is click up right here where it says Create a TTV Campaign. So we click on that, and what we want to do here is click on Start a New Basic Campaign right here. Click on that. It brings us over to here. Select the campaign targeting. Now what we want to do is we want to choose all countries. You want to take all of these countries, so we're going to click Check All, and then what we want to do down here is you see they have Offer and Sign Up here. That's not what we want. We want to click right here where it says SEO and Web Traffic right here. See that? And that brings this up over here on the right, this list right here, guys. Now you can have a visitor go one time, click your link one time and go to the site, or 2 times, or you're starting to see the power of this, guys, 3 times, or you can do some of these other ones down here. But let's say we want the person to click our affiliate link 3 times per each person. All right, now stay with me here. So we highlight visit 3 times. See that? Now we don't need to choose a template because we're just, we're going to have our own. Right down here, prices are listed as acceptable this type of campaign. Now let's take the available positions here. This task takes less than, I'd say we ought to put in here less than maybe 2 minutes. It might be longer depending on the person that's coming over there to the site. And then the available positions, let's put in here 100. Okay, and there's only a number of tasks is only 1. It's all I have to do is click and come over to the site, so it's only 1 per click, right? Now, how much you want to pay them? Right here, it's set at 7 cents by default. So let's just say we leave it at that 7 cents. You could put anything you want in there. It says you can increase it if you want or decrease it. So let's just leave it at the default, which is 7 cents. Now, if you look right here, it says the estimated campaign cost is going to be $8.28. All right, per 100. See that? So let's bring up the calculator here. Now remember, we selected right here 3 times. So that's 20 cents per click, right? So that's 20, 40, 60. 60 cents times 100. What's that going to be? So if I go 100 multiplied by 0.60, 60 cents for 3 clicks, 3 times going to the site, that's $60, guys, minus $8.28. That's about 51. I said about 54, but I was close. I'm off by about $3. So about $52 that you'll be making for each 100 of that. So basically, it comes out as free, right? Because you spent $8, but you got 51. So that's a positive thing. You're making money here, hand over fist. And then, guys, you can just do this over and over and over again on this and have your campaign running over and over again. You just have to come down through here and fill out the rest of this. Comes down through here and then just click on Create the Campaign. and then go to a next here, and it'll show you probably a couple other pages you'll have to go through and set this up, get this thing running, and next thing you know, you're making over $50 over and over and over again. And it really is free, because that money's coming out of what you're making, so it hasn't costed you anything out of pocket. Now that's just that. You could set it if you want them to do it 2 times or 1 time or whatever. I mean, you could set this available position to what, maybe 1,000. I mean, and it would, 76. Now, what would it be per 1,000 if you just left it at 1,000? So let's say take 1,000 times 60 cents, 0.6. That's $600. It's going to cost you 76. See? So in minus 76, what is that? You still made $524, guys. Guys, this is a really great method here, and you can come over and get started on this today. So this is the method I had for you today, guys, using Entire Web Affiliate Program and MicroWorkers. MicroWorkers.com, and set yourself up a campaign on here and set it to 3 times, 2 times, 1 time, whatever you want under SEO and web traffic, and get people coming over, clicking your link 3 times each time, and you're paying them what, 7 cents is it for each 3 times that they click that? You're going to pay them 7 cents, which is about, well, 76 or $8, because we set it at 1,000 here, but at 100 it'd be about $8. So guys, that's a really good way to drive traffic over to your affiliate link. I mean, that's a great thing. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click that notification bell, guys. And if you have any questions about this video or any comments, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I will get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my free affiliate marketing video that'll show you the formula on how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make up to $1,000 in 1 day's possibility, click down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and see what I have available there for you in that free video presentation that'll show you how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with all that. I'm going to see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.